In this video, I'll show you how to add fixed assets in Zoho Books quickly and efficiently. First, you need to enable the Fixed Assets module. Go to Settings, then Preferences and click General. Find the Fixed Assets option, check it and hit Save. This activates the module so you can start adding assets. Next, navigate to the Accountant section and select Fixed Assets. Click plus New Fixed Asset to open the form for adding your asset details. Start by entering the asset's name and a description. Then fill in the purchase date and cost, which will be used to calculate depreciation. Choose the asset type from the drop-down, specify its useful life and enter the book value. Once all details are complete, click Save. Your asset will first appear in draft status, allowing you to review everything. When ready, mark it as active so it officially becomes part of your records and depreciation begins. And that's it, your fixed asset is now added in Zoho Books, helping you manage assets and track depreciation effectively.